Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I've guided you to redraw the names using the DrawNames app. So if you want to redraw your names from the DrawName app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the DrawNames app on the device. So if you have not installed the app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that, you just need to open the DrawNames app and make sure that you are logged in. So if you are not logged into your account, you just need to log in and you just need to click on the option of Redraw, which will be shown on the screen. So this is the home page where you'll see the option of celebration, gift finder, wish list, menu and all. So you'll see the option of draw a name right here. So if you have already redrawn it or drawn a name, you'll see the option of redraw or shuffle button, which is usually neither the draw results. So after doing all of it, you just need to tap on the option of redraw or shuffle button and it will ask you to confirm it. So after confirming it, the app will randomly assign you a new name. So you just need to share or save the new card, or you just need to share or save the new draw as needed, and be able to redraw the names using the DrawNames app. So that's it. That's how you can redraw the names using the DrawNames app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe.